Fish is making so much row for me. 16.
How much does it sell for?
780 a pop. That's just not cooked either. Dude's on crack moving that fast. Dude, crab cake, crack cakes and triple shots. Yeah, I don't need a fucking horse. Except imagine how fast I would be if I had a horse with all of these speed buffs. Ew, what the fuck, Bowser's Big Bean Burrito? Why is that a foot? Why is there a foot emote?
Oh, that is weird.
Oh, right. Let's go key room.
I'll be right back.
No, you won't.
No, not from that.
Anyways, how you doing, man? How's it going?
Money.
Arg.
Spun for me, Bob.
57% perfection. Fish caught 100%. Crafting recipes made 42%. Cooking recipes made 14. Bound all star drops. Yes. Okay, so I must have gotten it already. Great friends,
Crafting recipes
80%.
are not all bad.
Produce and forage shipped 62%. Whoa, cool.